This is Balakrishna Dana, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department from Guntur Engineering College, Guntur. And today our lecture on slotting machines. So, set of slotting machine. What is the slotter? Slotting machine is also known as slotter, and it is reciprocating type machine in which ram holding the tool reciprocates in vertical axis, and the work is supported on a rotary table, which is mounted on the carriage. The cutting motion is produced by the reciprocating movement of the vertical ram. The rotary and longitudinal movements of table permit the workpiece to be positioned and fed for straight line and rotary cuts. It is usually adapted for machining holes, keyways, and grooves. Next one is working principle of slaughter. So this cutting tool repeatedly travels along AB line, and the work is fed a small distance each time, and speed of work and line of tool motion are in same plane but perpendicular, and the tool line even actually reaches position CD. The combination of two movements results in the flat line ABCD being a machine, and work is supported on a rotary table, and table can have longitudinal and rotary movements. Straight and rotary cuts can be produced. Classification of slaughter machines. There are mainly two types of slaughtering machines. What are the? First one is punch slaughter, and second one is precision tool room slaughter or precision slaughter. And puncher slaughter. So puncher slaughter, the ram of punches is driven by rack and spiral pinion mechanism, and it is a heavy and rigid machine. It is used for machining large castings and forgings. And second one is precision tool room slaughter. So precision slaughters, it is light in construction, and it is usually fitted with quick return mechanisms, and it is used for taking light cuts giving accurate finish compared to puncher slaughters. The main parts of slaughter. The mainly base, column, and ram, and table, and fifth one is a crosslight, saddle, and tool head. These are seen in this figure, the line diagram of slaughter. What are the main parts? Base, column, ram, tool, and rotary table, crosslight, and saddle. In that base, we already discussed in previous also. Base means it supports the all mission components. It supports the all mission components and act as a reservoir of fuel supply. And column, the column is vertically structured. The column is vertically structured, integral with the base. It houses the driving mechanism of the ram and feeding mechanism. The front face of the column is finished accurately to form guideways on which ram reciprocates. And next one, rotary table. It is mounted on the top of crossslide. The rotary table is mounted on the crossslide. The T slots are cut on the top face of the table for clamping the work rotation of the table, facilitates to take circular cuts. And coming to the next, saddle. It is mounted on the base and can be moved longitudinally on the guideways. And next one is cross slides. The cross slides is mounted on the guideways of saddle and it moves parallel to the face of the column, that means perpendicular to the guideways on the base. And next one is ram. The ram reciprocates vertically in the guideways provided in front of the column and it supports the tool head. It is the bottom which carries the tool and the metal is cut during the downward stroke and in a return stroke or upward stroke. It relieves the tool so that no scratches are formed on the finished surfaces. And next one is ram drive mechanism. Here we can use the ram drive mechanisms are mainly three types. First one is Whitworth Pickering mechanism and second one is variable speed reversible motor drive mechanism and third one is hydraulic drive mechanisms. These are the main parts of slaughter and their uses. I'm coming to the next specification of slotting machines. The specification of slotting machines are stroke maximum and minimum. The maximum stroke is 300 mm distance and minimum is 0 mm. And height between table and head is 450 mm. And diameter of the table is 500 and transfer of the table and longitudinal is considered to the 450 mm and transfer of the table and transverse will be considered to the 350 mm. And height, overall height is a 2000 mm and length of the bed 1375 mm and width of the bed is a 412 mm and the height of the bed 575 and the height of the head 1275 mm. And here having some belt arrangement, that belt sizes are 75 mm and HP required 2 HP. That is the HP is motor. And applications of slaughter machines. The slaughter machine is used for cutting slots, spine and keyways both internal and external purpose. And it is also used for machining of internal and external gears with given dimensions. And also it is for holes and it is used for light cuts only. And advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of slaughter machine. This design is a simplicity and is having a light machine. And the tool uses here a single point cutting tool and having a low cost and low maintenance, but giving to the accuracy is more and the efficiency is also more. And disadvantages